If your AC hasn't had a proper clean since last summer, or ever, now's the time. Dirty filters and dusty coils can kill performance and your electric bill. Add in some of the smartest cooling gadgets on the market, and you've got the ultimate summer efficiency bundle. Here's your must-have list to clean smarter and chill harder. All these product links are in the description below. Number 20. Portable Neck Fan. The Sweetful Portable Neck Fan delivers hands-free, bladeless cooling with a sleek, ergonomic design that resembles a headset, perfect for travel, commuting, or outdoor fun. Its 360 degrees air outlet with bladeless turbo blades boosts cooling efficiency by up to 80%, while ensuring no tangled hair or safety risks. Powered by a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers 4 to 9 hours of runtime depending on the speed setting. With 3 adjustable speeds, it caters to everything from a gentle breeze to powerful airflow on scorching days. Its whisper-quiet motor operates at just 30 to 45 dB, letting you stay cool without the noise. Constructed from lightweight ABS and TPE materials, USB rechargeable and portable. Number 19. Portable Air Conditioners. The XAMATTS Portable Evaporative Air Conditioner is a compact yet powerful cooling solution designed for personal comfort during hot summer days. With a 1.7-liter water tank, it delivers up to 14 hours of continuous misting, combining water or ice with airflow to provide refreshing, cool air around 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Its ultrasonic atomization technology ensures a fine mist for effective cooling without soaking your space. Featuring 3 fan speeds and 3 oscillation angles, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 120 degrees, it allows for customizable airflow to suit any room setup. The built-in remote control and 1 to 7 hour timer add convenience, making it easy to operate from a distance or set for sleep mode. The fan runs quietly. A mist-only mode helps during dry days, adding gentle humidity to the air. It also includes an auto shut-off feature for safety when water runs low. Sleek, portable, and user-friendly. Number 18. Solar-Powered Camping Shower Bag. The Advanced Element Summer Shower is a durable, solar-heated camping shower designed to provide warm water anywhere outdoors. Featuring a 2.5-gallon capacity, it heats water up to 110 degrees Fahrenheit in under 3 hours using direct sunlight, thanks to its 4-layer construction that includes insulation and a solar panel. The bag is easy to fill and hang with a wide rubber handle and an easy fill valve with a twist-off cap. It also has an on-off shower head to help conserve water during use, plus Velcro straps to hold soap or shampoo. A built-in temperature gauge lets you know when the water is ready. Lightweight and foldable, it packs compactly for easy transport and storage. Highly rated by outdoor enthusiasts and experts alike, this shower offers a convenient and eco-friendly way to stay clean on camping trips, hikes, or beach days without relying on electricity or gas. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it's a trusted companion for summer adventures. Number 17. Cooling Towel. The Alfamo assorted breathable microfiber cooling towels are perfect for staying cool during hot weather, workouts, or outdoor adventures. Made from a soft and breathable blend of 45% polyester and 55% polyamide, these towels offer excellent absorbency and comfort. To activate the cooling effect, simply soak the towel in water, wring it out, and snap it in the air, which cools the fabric up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit below body temperature and keeps you refreshed for up to 3 hours. Each towel measures 40 by 12 inches, making them versatile for use on the neck, face, or body. The set includes 6 colorful towels, each accompanied by a waterproof carrying pouch and carabiner for easy transport. Additionally, the towels provide UPF 50 sun protection, shielding your skin from harmful UV rays. Durable and machine washable. Number 16. LASKO Tower Fan. The LASKO T48314 Oscillating Performance Tower Fan is a sleek and powerful 48-inch fan designed to provide quiet, effective cooling for large rooms, bedrooms, or offices. It offers 3 adjustable speeds: low, medium, and high, allowing you to customize airflow to your comfort. The fan's widespread oscillation and extra-long grill help distribute cool air evenly throughout the space. With a convenient 7-hour auto-off timer and a unique nighttime setting that lowers fan speed and dims control lights, it's perfect for use day or night. Weighing just 15 pounds and featuring a molded carrying handle, it's easy to move and set up without tools. The included remote control offers hassle-free operation with onboard storage. Built with safety in mind, the fan includes LASKO's Blue Plug Safety Fuse technology and is ETL listed for quality assurance. Highly rated by thousands of users, it's praised for its quiet performance, affordability, and reliable cooling power. Number 15. Multi-Style Cooling Neck Gaiter Face Cover. The Chill Pal 12-in-1 Multi-Style Cooling Neck Gaiter is a versatile and lightweight accessory designed to keep you cool during outdoor activities. Made from breathable fabric, it offers 12 different ways to wear it, including as a neck gaiter, balaclava, headband, face cover, and more. To activate its cooling effect, simply soak it in water, wring it out, and snap it, providing up to 3 hours of evaporative cooling before needing to reactivate. This gaiter also offers UV protection and helps reduce sweat buildup, making it perfect for hiking, biking, fishing, or any outdoor work. It's machine washable and comes with a convenient storage pouch, making it easy to maintain and carry. Its multifunctional design combines practicality with style, making it an ideal choice to stay refreshed and protected in hot weather. Number 14. AC Fin Comb. The air conditioner fin comb is a handy maintenance tool designed to clean and straighten bent fins on AC condensers, evaporators, and radiators. It features multiple comb heads with varied fin spacing, making it compatible with most standard fin widths. This helps restore proper airflow, improving the efficiency and performance of your cooling system. The comb is lightweight and easy to use, with durable plastic teeth that gently realign bent fins without damaging delicate metal. It's ideal for regular AC maintenance, especially in dusty or debris-prone environments. By keeping the fins clean and straight, this tool helps prevent system strain and reduces energy consumption. Compact and portable, it's a must-have for HVAC technicians and homeowners looking to extend the life of their AC units. Number 13. Split Unit Cleaning Bag Cover Kit. This user-friendly cleaning bag cover kit makes deep cleaning your split-type AC unit a breeze, without the mess. It's designed to catch water and cleaning runoff, fitting snugly around your unit while giving you full access for spraying and scrubbing. Made from waterproof and durable material, it safeguards your walls and floors during the cleaning process. Reusable and easy to rinse off, it's ideal for both DIY maintenance and professional use. Number 12. Wheel/rotor Cleaning Brush. This handy cleaning brush is great for getting into those hard-to-reach spots like fan blades, rotors, and vents to clear away dust and debris. With its long handle and angled bristles you will have the reach and control necessary for a deep clean. Made up from strong plastic and featuring durable nylon bristles, it tackles grime effectively while being gentle on surfaces. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor AC parts. Number 11. Spray Nozzle Bottle. The spray nozzle for bottles is a practical and durable replacement trigger sprayer designed to fit most standard-sized spray bottles. It features an adjustable nozzle that easily switches between a fine mist. Built with sturdy plastic and a corrosion-resistant internal spring, it's engineered for long-lasting performance, even with repeated use. The ergonomic trigger handle ensures comfortable spraying with minimal hand fatigue, which is especially helpful during extended cleaning tasks. Its universal fit with a standard 28mm neck makes it compatible with a wide range of bottle types, reducing the need for new containers. Whether you're tackling grime in the kitchen, misting indoor plants, or applying a homemade cleaning mix, this nozzle delivers consistent, clog-free performance. It's also easy to rinse and reuse, offering an eco-friendly and economical solution for home, garden, or professional cleaning needs. Number 10. HVAC Repair Tool. An HVAC repair tool is a specific device that technicians use to test, adjust, install, or repair parts in HVAC systems. These tools can vary from simple hand tools to sophisticated diagnostic equipment and are crucial for making sure air conditioning units, furnaces, heat pumps, ventilation systems, and thermostats work properly. Number 9. Leak Saver Foam Blaster. The Leak Saver Foam Blaster AC Coil Cleaner is a powerful no-rinse cleaning solution designed to restore dirty evaporator and condenser coils quickly and effectively. Its expanding foam formula penetrates deep into coils, breaking down stubborn dirt, grease, and debris without the need for scrubbing. Ideal for HVAC systems, refrigeration units, and even automotive radiators, it helps improve airflow and system efficiency. The foam dissolves grime within 10 to 15 minutes. One 18-ounce can is usually enough to clean multiple mini-split coils or a standard residential condenser. Trusted by HVAC professionals, it's a go-to product for routine AC maintenance that saves time while keeping systems running smoothly and cleanly. Number 8. High Temp Pressurized Pump Washer. Blast away tough dirt and grime with this high-temp pressurized pump washer. Made for heavy-duty cleaning, it shoots hot water under pressure to effectively eliminate stubborn buildup from AC coils and other surfaces. The pump and nozzle are designed to handle high temperatures and regular use, making it perfect for both professional and home applications. Number 7. BORESCOPE Inspection Camera. The endoscope camera with light is a versatile inspection tool featuring dual 1920p HD lenses for clear, detailed visuals in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. Equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, it provides bright, customizable illumination for dark areas, ensuring every detail is visible. The 16.4-foot semi-rigid snake cable allows flexible maneuvering while maintaining shape for precise inspections. Compatible with both iOS and Android devices, it connects easily via Wi-Fi or USB for real-time viewing and recording. Lightweight and portable. Number 6. AC Flush Spray Gun. The 4 Uncles AC Flush Kit is a high-performance cleaning tool set designed for flushing out air conditioning and refrigeration systems efficiently. It features a durable stainless steel canister that resists corrosion and handles high pressure without leaks, making it ideal for both automotive and home AC maintenance. The kit includes a 2.95-foot nylon hose and a flushing spray gun that connects easily to an air compressor, recommended pressure under 150 psi. Designed to remove moisture, acids, old refrigerant oil, and debris, it's especially useful after compressor failures, retrofits, or before recharging systems. The set comes with multiple adapters for both US and European fittings, offering wide compatibility across various AC systems including R134A, R12, R22, R410A, and R404A. The canister is reusable and easy to refill, making it a long-lasting solution for regular maintenance. Number 5. HVAC Vacuum Pump and Manifold Gauge Set. This HVAC vacuum pump and manifold gauge set is a must-have for servicing and maintaining air conditioning systems. The vacuum pump efficiently eliminates air and moisture from AC lines, and the manifold gauges let you keep a close eye on pressure levels. Constructed with sturdy materials for durability, this set is easy to use and perfect for both professional technicians and DIY fans. Number 4. Water-fed telescopic pole and brush. The long water-fed pole brush is a versatile cleaning tool designed for hard-to-reach outdoor surfaces such as solar panels, windows, roofs, house siding, and conservatories. Its telescopic, extendable pole allows you to easily adjust the length to reach high or awkward areas without the need for ladders. The brush head is equipped with soft, durable bristles that effectively remove dirt and grime without scratching delicate surfaces. Featuring a water-fed system, it connects to a hose to deliver a continuous stream of water for efficient, streak-free cleaning. Lightweight and ergonomic. Number 3. AC Coil Cleaner. The Speed Clean Coil Jet CJ200E portable electric coil cleaner is a professional-grade cleaning system designed for efficient and safe coil maintenance. Ideal for HVAC and refrigeration coils, it delivers up to 220 psi of adjustable spray pressure, strong enough to remove dirt and grime without damaging delicate fins. It features a 3.375-gallon onboard water tank and a 1.75-quart chemical reservoir, giving users the flexibility to clean units without needing a water connection, perfect for rooftops or hard-to-reach areas. The electric-powered unit, 110V, is portable, comes with a 15-foot power cord, and includes a quick disconnect spray gun with interchangeable nozzles for various cleaning angles. A shoulder strap and compact design make it easy to carry, even when full. Weighing about 22 pounds dry. Number 2. LED Inspection Light on Flexible Gooseneck. The LED magnetic machine work light is a rugged and efficient lighting solution designed for industrial settings like lathes, milling machines, and drill presses. With a powerful 900 lumens output, this lamp provides bright, focused illumination to enhance visibility and precision during detailed tasks. Its flexible gooseneck arm allows for easy adjustment and targeted lighting at any angle. The strong magnetic base ensures secure attachment to any metal surface, keeping the light stable even in high vibration environments. Built with IP65 waterproof and dustproof protection, it performs reliably in tough workshop conditions. Operating on 120 volts, it's energy efficient and built to last with minimal heat output. Number 1. Steam Cleaner. The steam cleaner with a 15-second heat-up time is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed for home and car use. Featuring a large 1.6-liter water tank and a strong 2500W heating element, it quickly produces high-temperature steam to tackle dirt, grease, grout, tiles, couches, and more. The cleaner includes a 3-level adjustable handle for comfortable use and easy maneuverability in different cleaning situations. This portable steamer comes with 16 accessories, allowing you to clean a variety of surfaces and hard-to-reach areas effectively. It sanitizes without harsh chemicals, making it eco-friendly and safe for families and pets. Ideal for deep cleaning, deodorizing, and disinfecting, this steam cleaner helps maintain a fresh and hygienic environment with minimal effort. And that's a wrap for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Which one is your favorite? Leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.